In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow Preview in Zillow 2026 Full Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leave a helpful, verified review for a real estate agent on Zillow so others can make confident decisions and agents can get meaningful feedback. First, open your web browser and head to Zillow.com. Before you do anything else, sign in to your Zillow account. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to register. Creating an account not only lets you post a review, it also helps Zillow verify that your feedback is authentic, which increases trust for everyone reading it. Next, it's time to find the agent you want to review. From the main navigation, select Find an Agent. In the search bar, type the agent's name, or if you're unsure of the exact name, enter their location to browse a list of professionals in that area. When the results appear, open the correct profile. Double-check details like the city, brokerage, and photo so you're confident you've selected the right person. On the agent's profile, scroll down until you see the Reviews section. Look for the Write a Review button, typically near the top right of that section, and click it to start. You'll see a form asking for details about your experience. Take your time here. Be specific about what brought you to the agent, how they supported your home buying or selling journey, and what stood out about their service, such as responsiveness, local knowledge, negotiation skill, or overall professionalism. Keep your tone respectful and factual, and avoid sharing private information or anything not directly related to your experience. Clear, concrete examples make your review more useful to others. When you're happy with what you've written, submit your review. After you submit, don't worry if the review doesn't appear immediately. Zillow places every review into a moderation queue to ensure it follows community guidelines and maintains quality across the platform. This process helps protect both consumers and agents by filtering out spam, personal attacks, or unrelated content. You may receive a notification or email about the status of your review, and it will go live on the agent's profile once it's approved. If there's an issue, simply adjust your wording to align with the guidelines and resubmit. That's it. You've supported the real estate community by sharing your experience and helping others make informed choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.